Hey, it's Mad Cat here. Guess where I'm at? I'm here in Hendersonville and heading to Gatlinburg Pigeon Forge for a little vacation. And guess what I did? I pulled it. Pulled it all the way from original South Carolina here, Henderson, North Carolina. Look at this. Get the old red with the silver lake out in the parking lot. And tomorrow I'm gonna try to haul it up to the gateway and Pigeon Forge. See how it works. Y'all stay with me. On vacation, yeah.
We have a good car.
Here's Poppy and Molly. We got Ginger on camera. Got Kendra here.
Kate. What?
We got Caitlin on the video.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey. And Maggie.
Maggie, that's Maggie.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
We got the mountains in the background here. Where are we at? I don't know. The Pigeon Forge.
Mountain Mall.
Hey, it's Mad Cat here outside of White Rifle Coffee Company in Cold Brew. And y'all stay with me. We got Charlotte, Maggie, and Sadie on the Monster Drop. All the way up there. Don't look down.
She's almighty! Perfect. I had a little bit of a heart attack. Awesome. Come on this way, guys. Perfect. Yay!
Video inside, okay? Thank you, guys.